Panadol what? What did you say?
Oi! One top, one pill.
God Almighty area now.
Pill, a top, Panadol ultrasound.
My God.
You boss say one Panadol ultrasound. Listen to me. Granddaddy, I'm not laughing at you. I'm just laughing at the fact that whatever you said or what you said just now is funny. You see me? Oh, I don't remember if I give you a shout out. The yard when I see yesterday or the day before. A subscriber out of Popeyes. Big up yourself, family. Big up yourself. You're large. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And the rest of subscribers, appreciate you guys as well. And brother, we comment. A lot of person from Fort Lauderdale watching videos. Big up Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And Lauderhill. You know, say I did say yard them chill.